Hi.
Hi.
Oh my gosh. Hi, this is Burps 2. Need your
No.
Maddie, go sing now.
No.
Sing.
I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna do it now. Man.
Let's listen. Shh. Did it fizz? Okay, she's coming back.
Kind of is, but I stopped it from fizzing.
Maddie, shut the door and lock it.
Don't do your thing.
I thought she said toot. Your thing.
Okay, buddy, I'm gonna burp first.
Dylan wanted me. Oh, that was horrible. Okay, hold on. Tell me to burp.
Burp.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna try and make a really good one, okay, guys?
Yeah, you're not gonna do it. Not as good as me. Don't do this to me, I promise.
I promise.
Because you know I'd like totally spill it.
It's coming, it's coming.
Okay, tell me to burp.
That was a
Hold
big
on,
one.
tell me to burp.
Burp. Burp.
Oh, they're bubbly. They're bubbly today.
Hey, I got a question for y'all. What do you think's better? AIM or MySpace? Do it down below. Comment down below. Yeah, that's right. Comment down below.
I thought you were doing a middle finger.
That is not my middle finger. I know it looks like it is, but it's not. See? Look.
You remember that guy at Six Flags with the middle finger sticking?
Oh yeah, okay, we gotta tell you a story.
Okay, I'm telling it. Okay, there's this, we were walking, we were gonna,
Shockwave. What? We've already seen the time. Hey. Okay, well, we were at this amusement park.
Oh, no, let's just say Six Flags.
Yeah.
Okay, we were at Six Flags one day, and we were about to go on the ride, the Shockwave. There's this little girl, I think it was
a little girl.
Yeah, it's a little girl, and then and her dad were going on the Shockwave too. It seemed like it was the little girl's first time, because he was like,
it was both of their first times,
and then stuff like that. So, but we looked on the back of his leg, and then there's like a hand. Yeah, there's a hand. Oh, Maddie, stop. There's a hand, and it had like long fingernails and stuff like on it, and it had the middle finger put up. So it's kind of like that, but just not both of the fingers put up.
Duh.
Just the middle finger. I just didn't want to do it because I'm a good girl. There's my halo.
Oh, my parents, they do it all the time, but they said, oh, we don't care in our family.
I thought y'all were Christians. Get out of the house! You're looking on the street.
No. He's like, if you're just accidentally, he doesn't care. Okay, here comes the big one.
I think I'm about to toot Amber.
I've done a cough, a burp, and a toot at the same time.
I just laughed and tooted at the same time. Kidding. Or was I?
She wasn't kidding. That girl. That girl.
Maddie! I need a hairbrush. Where's my hairbrush?
Oh yeah, wait, no, it's the style. Okay, if you want to be in style for our
Maddie,
YouTube,
you should like totally like put my hair up like you did. On one day.
Yeah, and we should show them all our
crazy
hairstyles.
hair. Yeah.
Okay, we'll show you all our crazy hairstyles.
Except after this video, because we're not done. Because I'm not done with a Coke.
I'm almost done.
We're like, this is only our first Coke. Come on. Maddie, have you been throwing them over there? Oh, there's a bottle.
1, 2, 3. You look funny. Okay, I'm done with mine. I'm not gonna do another one. I'm just gonna watch. Burp at the same time as I like. Oh, now I'm gonna. Oh, never mind. I already did. That was random. That was a big one. But okay, at the bottom, comment. Here's another thing to comment about.
Yeah, comment my burp.
Comment
if you like Miley Cyrus, or if you don't.
No, comment whose burps are better, and then we'll have a tally at the end and see who has the better burps. More here. No, and we'll see, and we're gonna name the different hairstyles. Hey.
Guys, she has devil horns under this hair.
Yeah, well,
I have a halo.
Okay, well, I'm gonna make all different hairstyles with Lisa's hair.
It's open!
Yeah, I'm gonna make all different hairstyles with Lisa's hair, and I'm gonna name them. And you tell us the best hairstyle.
Yo, guys, you know what I got today? I got a shot, and I didn't cry. Like, Maddie, you're messing up the room again.
I was gonna use these to put the, hairstyles on.
Oh, the one I colored? I colored it. I'm kidding. I actually did color it. I was younger though.
Official milk here. Oh, I'll write it with these. Okay.
Oh, some of those don't work.
Oh well. See? Official milk. Look here. Where did you get this at? Butterfly Company.
Oh my gosh, I'm having bubbly ones today. Okay.
I'm going to go ahead and start writing them while Lisa does the rest of her burps.
Okay, tell me a burp.
Burp.
I always have those as a good one. Ow! I don't have a ball. I don't have a ball in my hand, so nobody knows that I did it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna come back to you with our hairstyles. Bye!